In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Google Ads account. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, from your Google Ads account, navigate to the top right corner and look for your profile icon. Click on it. Then, click on Manage Your Google Account. Then, in your Google account, go to the left sidebar and look for the Data and Privacy option. Click on it. Then, in Data and Privacy settings, scroll down until you find the Delete Your Google Account option. Click on it. Then, Google will ask you to verify that it's you deleting the account. Verify it, and your Google Ads account will be deleted permanently. As this process deletes your Google account associated with the Google Ads account, make sure you're okay deleting your Google account before doing this. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete your Google Ads account. Thanks for watching.